back to the channel. Back with another video for you guys. Today we're gonna be having some fun and Perla today. So back with some truck content for you guys. Pretty much what we're gonna be doing is something I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time. And that's gonna be figuring out how this thing compares to Big Brother. If you know what the Big Brother to this truck is. But first we gotta go fill up with gas because we only get 5 miles to the gallon, something like that. It hurts. But yeah, we gotta fill up with gas. Then we're gonna go see my boy Crew Cab Chris. That needs to be his new name. And I'll show you guys when we get there. But first, it is 46 degrees outside, hence the jacket. And it's only right. We get a cold start. So let's go ahead and wake the neighborhood. Oh my God, this thing is filthy. Oh boy. Let her idle for a little bit, warm the juices up, and we're gonna go get the fuel and hopefully not take an L today. All right, guys, I'm sure you can tell from the background we are at Perla's favorite location. Once again, it hurts. But today we're not gonna do our traditional fill up. We're gonna fill up with some of that corn. We winning today, boy. I don't care. We winning. He gonna be mad, but we winning. But for like the first time in forever, why is corn more expensive than regular? The garbage. Like, what is going on? But let's do this, man. I'm already crying on the inside, man. All right, guys, we still on the way, but I think I see lunch over here, if you know what I mean. So let's see Buddy. He got a Gen 5. He dropped. Let's see what he bought. See if he bought it. Oh, never mind. I see a stock tailpipe. All right, guys, finna pull up at good old Crew Cab Chris, and as you can see, directly in front of us, we have one crew cab, two crew cab, and a crew cab on the other side there. So I need to figure out where I need to park my crew cab so that I'm not in the way. Y'all look at this, man. He's trying to figure out if I really got a 5.3 or not.
Ain't no 5.3 in this truck, man.
See? And he got a whole 6.2, which is Big Brother to Perla right here.
A whole 6.2. I got a whole 5.7. I got a whole 5.3. I got 2 5.3s.
So, little brother, big brother, 5.3, 6.2. We gonna see what they do.
5.7, 5.3.
For sale, maybe not for sale.
I'm not selling no more.
Ah, man.
6.0, 5.3 in the trailer.
Hey, man, nobody's supposed to know about all that.
It don't even matter now because it's already out.
Oh, by the way, crew Cab Chris, guys.
No, I didn't call me. I mean, you called me that, man. The page is going to be cold.
I mean, that's what I'm calling you, Crew Cab Chris. You the only person I know got 4 crew cabs.
4? 3.
You know you get one later. I don't care.
I didn't find a cat eye. That's it.
See? Look at him.
I don't want the 14 or 18. I like the model.
Yeah, guys. We gonna See what the new edition do. But this one got chopstick, aka cam, torque converter, and gears.
You probably shouldn't release that on YouTube.
Hey man, everybody already know. I'm no secret with my build.
I would take it out.
Yeah.
4.8.
There's no secret to the build on this thing.
That's a 4.8, man.
Nah, she true 5.3, but
I don't even believe that's still good.
look at him. He drove it one time, don't believe it.
That number say something else. It would say 5.3. Nah. That bitch say call that motherfucker all day. You ain't gotta lie about it, me.
We gonna see, man. We gonna
I ain't
see.
never seen no 5.3.
I'll catch y'all later. All right, guys. So about to see what good old Pearl Little 5.3 here does against this 6.2. We're gonna try tow haul mode. I have a love-hate relationship with tow haul, but we gonna see what she do. All right, here we go. We're gonna try 50. Alright guys, so we're going back home now. I'm still like, I don't know if I'm in shock, I'm just happy or what it is, but I have never been able to beat a 6.2 in the past when I was just on plain bolt-ons. Like, they will always pull away from me halfway through second gear. And it is like, to be clear, his is a stock 6.2, and the ones in the past were stock 6.2s as well. But like I said, with bolt-ons, just headers and intake only, I could not outrun them. So I'm just like, for real, I just like, this thing is great right now. Like, I'm happy with it. But yeah, I'm not gonna brag. Like, I'm not bragging or anything, because like I said, he is a stock 6.2, so I'm in a heavily modified 5.3 liter, so technically I should have won to begin with, but like I said, based on past experiences, I didn't know what's gonna happen. But other than that, guys, hope you